Hello guys, have you been stuck in your forex trading journey and you've been looking for a profitable strategy that can help you move from one level to another? Now look no further, okay, because Lex Education has come up with another strategy that is very profitable. The first thing we're going to be working with indicators like commodity channel index. So let's add that to the chart. We're going to be working with period 5 applied to typical high HLC 3 and using a style of 3 pixel. Then we're having levels minus 100, 100 and 0. Click on done and that is it. So this is the CCI indicator on the chart, commodity channel index. Now we're going to be working with another indicator which is called the moving average. Let's add that moving average. We're going to be using moving average 50, EMA 50. Please take notice the method is exponential, okay, and then I'm going to be using a black color also. So this line you're seeing here, that's the moving average 50. Now how does this simple strategy work? It's very simple. So what you need to do is, first of all, let's I want to work with the 4-hour time frame. Okay, that's why I want to take my signal. So the first thing, I'm going to bring my marker there. Good. All I just simply need to do is, first of all, as you can see, the market was trending up. As you can see, the market was trending upwards. Okay, so you're going to watch for a trendy market. The market was trending up, then you just simply wait for the market to return back to the EMA 50. Just wait for the market to return back to the EMA 50, and then as soon as the market returns back to EMA 50, you're not going to jump in yet. You're going to wait for the commodity channel index, which is the CCI. You're going to wait for it on that time frame, okay, to run from the bottom to the top. Okay, in this case, remember the market is trending up, so we're going to wait for the commodity channel index to run from the bottom to the top. As soon as that happens, so I'm going to move my marker. This is where it got to the top. As soon as that happened, I'll move down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 8-hour time frame, as you can see, the market is back to the EMA 50. We just need to watch it, and then we move straight to the M15 time frame for our entry. What are we supposed to look out for to enter on the M15 time frame? You're going to watch out for an obvious W pattern, because we're looking for a buy this time. An obvious W pattern. As you can see, the market came like this, gave you one leg of the W, and now came back to the 50 EMA and retraced back, okay, which is the second leg. So you're just simply going to wait for this, and then you can start looking at entering the trade as soon as the market closes just above the 50 EMA. So this is the spot where you should take your entry. So I'm going to move my marker there. So where are you supposed to place your stop loss? Very simple. You just look at the both legs of your W, either the first or the second leg, the candle that went lower than the other. Okay, so in this case is the second leg, so we're going to place our stop loss just below the low there, and then we can have a target of 1:3 or 4 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so guys, see how far the market moved. So this is the USD CHF chart, the daily time frame. Now if you notice, the market was already started its downward trend here. Okay, so it broke past the EMA broke past the EMA 50 and then went back to touch the EMA 50. So what are we supposed to do? Like I said, I'm going to go, as soon as it touches it, I'm going to wait for the market to the CCI to make a run from the top to the bottom. Now in this case, if you notice, the CCI was not coming from the top. I can ignore that, wait for it to get, I can pass that and wait for the next one. Can you see it went back to touch that same EMA? Okay, so I'm going to wait for the run from the top, the CCI run from the top to the bottom. Okay, so this is where it got to the bottom. As soon as it got to the bottom, what would I do? I'm going to go to the next time frame, which is the H4 time frame, and wait for what? The market to touch the EMA 50. Now watch, it touched the EMA 50 here. I'm going to simply go to my H1 time frame, okay, to look out for an obvious M pattern. Okay, so what's the M pattern here? This is it. As you can see, well, the M pattern actually started, the first leg actually started here. You notice the market consolidated, and then closed here. Okay, so this is where you're supposed to take your entry. If you've not been watching my videos on BTMM, then I would advise you go to watch that so that you understand some of the things I explain about trading properly without indicators. So the market closed here, then you place your stop loss here and hold on for a risk to reward ratio of 1:3 or 4 at the minimum. So see how far the market went, guys. See how far the market went. See how far the market went. See how far the market went. So that is it, guys. I just wanted to share the strategy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you got value, and if you're first time on this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.